walk into the grocery store and literally feel so excited about everything that is in there? Then you come to find yourself having a full cart of groceries and literally 0 meals planned. Yeah, it's time to change that. Let's go ahead and create a grocery list that is filled with harmony and healing. Hey everybody, if you don't know who I am Sanaya, and I am the holistic nutritionist, and I am here to help you master gut health without starvation using the garden method. What is that? That is simply eating from earth. How do we do that? We eat what the garden gives us. We eat what God provides us. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to grocery shop. Grocery shopping is always my client's concern. I always tell them shop at farmers markets, produce markets, and your local fresh markets. That is where you will get your bang for your buck, and you will also get the nutritious value that you are looking for. So today I am going to show you how to exactly build your grocery list that is intentional, healing, and aligned with your highest self. And guess what? I'm not leaving y'all hanging. I'm sharing with you all one of my greatest assets, and that is my meal planning journal. So my meal planning journal houses 52 weeks of literal goodness, okay? You are able to come up with your budget, come up with your grocery list, and literally list out every single meal that you're interested in making with those groceries for breakfast, lunch, and dinner from Monday to Sunday. I know. So make sure you go ahead and grab that because I use it faithfully and it always helps me stay aligned. Let's get into what y'all have been waiting for. You want to know how to make your grocery trips and meal prepping more easy, more aligned, a breeze, and less stressful. I know you might hear this. They always say, stay out the aisles and stay in the perimeter. That's true. You want to start with your produce. Start with a fruit foundation. Why is that? Because fruits hydrate your cells. They repair your gut lining, and they feed the beneficial bacteria inside of your gut microbiome. So you want to choose from 5 to 7 fruits that you absolutely love and that are in season. My favorite are papaya, mango, blueberries, strawberries, and dragon fruit. Next, you want to build the powerhouse. This is your greens. This builds fiber, brings the minerals, and also increases a vital life force energy inside of your whole entire body. These greens should look like spinach, kale, dandelion greens, any type of bitter green, Swiss chard. It's so many if you go to the farmer's market. But if you end up just having to grab like any romaine lettuce, any green lettuce, red leaf lettuce, that is okay as well. And if you are working up to those cruciferous veggies, that is okay as well. Just go ahead and make sure you grab a good amount of romaine or any type of other lettuce that is not iceberg. But seriously, but literally just grab some lettuce. Next, you want to pick your hydration helpers. What does that look like? Coconut water, watermelon, high water fruits and vegetables, cucumbers, peppers. These will nourish your gut lining and prevent constipation. That is key for 90% of Americans. One thing that is truly overrated when grocery shopping is your healing herbs. Cilantro, parsley, mint, and basil all might look pretty, but trust me, they are so essential to the gut microbiome. They feed your gut bacteria, give you long-lasting energy, and detoxify the liver and the gut. You always want to include at least one herb inside of your meals for natural cleansing energy, natural cleansing power, natural cleansing aura type of vibe. Next, you want to grab your seeds. These are chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, things that will help you feel full and also nourish your gut at the same time. To keep it short and sweet, I just wanted to make sure that you all had the simple staples. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can use your meal planning journal to sketch out 3 to 5 simple meals a day and include your snacks, include your sweet treats, anything that you're looking to have, and make sure you stay aligned and also reflect on how you are doing with this gut healing journey. But also remember, true wellness starts with intention before you even think about what you're eating. So be intentional with what you're eating. And once again, you can start doing that with my meal planning journal. Make sure you go ahead and grab this meal planning journal because it will help you on your journey for sure. And one thing about it, and 2 things for sure, your meals do not have to be complicated. They can be so simple, just like chickpea and mushroom wrap with a side of strawberries. And also some super delicious salads. You can put everything into a salad, anything that you like, any vegetable that you like, and put it into a salad and be full and fixated for hours. By seeing your meals laid out, you'll shop smarter, eat cleaner, and feel more energized and amazing than you have ever felt before. Your gut, your energy, and your higher self will thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're having a problem with your gut healing journey, make sure you comment some questions or any ideas that you want me to touch on down in the comment section below. Don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. Gut healing is only what you make it. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.